Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, I need some help from you. Stay tuned. Y'all, welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for the wonderful ways in which you support me and my channel. Y'all, I don't have a tutorial or a quick tip today. I have a request. I need some help from you. Y'all, the first thing that I want to say is I really do appreciate the support that I get from all of you. And I've said this before, there's only one of me doing this. For the most part, I'm pretty much a one-woman show, and I try to answer as many comments as I can, and that's what leads me to this video. I look forward to trying to answer as many comments as I can, but to get to those comments that I really need to answer, I have to weed through a lot of comments on which the answer has already been provided. And y'all, what I mean by that is I'll provide information in my description box. Sometimes I'll pin a message. Sometimes I'll make a community post. Sometimes I have made a whole video about the questions that I'm getting. The description box is probably the single most important place to go for information. If I have a link to a certain product, I'll have it linked there. If I'm using a certain paper or a certain printer, I'll try to link that there. And in my description box, I even have some videos that I recommend based off of some of the most frequently asked questions that I get. So you'll hear me talking, but I'm going to bring up my YouTube channel because I want to show you the ways in which you can help me. All right, y'all, so here is my YouTube homepage. When you come to this page, you'll have an option to be able to watch so many different things that I've done on my channel. You'll see my playlist. There is my community tab. There is the home button. If you want to know something about me, whatever I put is right there. But here's what I want to highlight on this particular video here, where I did the video on the autumn digital paper that I was rolling out. There were so many questions that were asked about the printer type as well as the paper type. And all of that information could have been found on the video without ever leaving a comment asking that question. And I'm going to show you where you could have found that information and where you can find that information. So the description box for all YouTubers is underneath the title bar. And you'll see the word more when there's a lot of items that have been posted. Click on that word. And then you'll see all of this useful information. If you wanted to order the paper pack, you can click right here. Papers that I use to print my digitals, click here and you'll see a video that I posted showing the paper types that I use. The printer that I use to print my digitals, click right here. And it will take you to Amazon, which will show you the printer that I use. There's so much useful information. And here at the bottom, I even make a suggestion of some helpful videos based off of frequently asked questions that I get. And this is one of the very important ways that you can help me. Before you ever leave a question, click on the More button to see if the answer to that question is found in the description box. For those of you who are looking for my Amazon storefront link, there it is right there. I get that all the time. Your description box does not have the Amazon storefront link. It actually does. It's right there. So in the case of this video, I also pinned a comment because I'll get the question, where can I go to buy the paper packs? I have that information in the description box, but I also pinned it as a comment. So because I was getting so many questions about the printer and the paper based off of this particular video here, I decided to pin a community post. I pinned this community post yesterday that gave you the link to the printer that I use and also the video showing the paper types that I use. And I really added this as an additional layer of support just in case you didn't find it in the description box. So then what I decided to do is I decided to create a short video. A short is 1 minute or less on YouTube, and I created this so that it would guide you back to the video where I demoed the electronic paper cutter. So on YouTube Shorts, there are several ways that you can get back to the original video that you might want to watch. And here at the top, whenever I remember, I'll put a message that says click on the photo lower right to see the full video. So here's the photo lower right. If you click on that photo, it is going to give you the option to be able to watch this video. So you just click on that and there's the video. So let's say you don't click on the lower right. There is a play button right here. If you click that play button, it takes you directly to the video. So there are a couple of ways that you can access the video that this short is talking about just by clicking on certain spots in the video. If you just want to go back to my main channel, you just click on my image. And this is true for any YouTuber. So if you want to see the videos that I have on my channel, you just click on videos. If you're searching for a particular video, you just go to the search bar and you type in what you're looking for. So I am typing in Posh Paper Lady Tissue Box. And what YouTube is going to do is it's going to find the tissue box videos that I have made and upload it to my channel. So if you can't remember the video that I've done, but you have a little bit that you know about it, go ahead and type that in. Let's say I'm looking for a paper purse. I'm looking for a Posh Paper Lady paper purse. I type that in and it's going to bring up all of these different paper purses, and I can go through and hopefully be able to find the one that I'm looking for. So those are the various ways that you can help me to be more productive with my time management on YouTube. I don't mind answering questions. I really don't. But what I don't like to do is a whole lot of rework, especially when I know that I've taken the time to provide that information either in the comment section, the community post, a short, a video. There are so many ways that I'm trying to put information out. And what I'm asking from you before you actually leave the question is to go through to see if the information has already been provided. And then go one step further. Look at the comments that are already on that video. Guys, let's say you're watching the video 9 hours after I uploaded it. Chances are someone has asked the question that you might be asking. And chances are there might be an answer in the comment section to the very question that you want to ask. So by spending just a few moments looking in the various places on my channel, you can help me to free up my time and use that time to be more creative for the channel. So I don't want this video to come across as preachy or unappreciative, because I'm not. I am grateful for everything that has come my way. But over the past few weeks, I really have noticed a big uptick in questions in the comment section on which the answer is clearly provided in the video that was just watched. But now that I've walked you through some of the ways that you can help me, some of you might not have even known that some of these things existed, I think it's going to be a big help in you finding the information that you might need when you need it. Again, I want to be very clear. I am not scolding. I am not being preachy. I just want to make sure that I'm making the best possible use of my time so that I can be the best I can be for you guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for allowing me to exist in my small space on YouTube. As always, my friends, y'all please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.